Hello everyone, flexing to you, the Piran City. So Mom Shawie Vlog wants to welcome you to the Piran City, where history lives and nature thrives. Nestled along the peaceful shores of northern Zamboanga del Norte, the Piran City is more than just a destination. It's a journey through time, culture, and natural beauty. Known as the Shrine City of the Philippines, Dapitan is famously where Dr. Jose Rizal spent his years in exile, turning the city into a living museum of patriotism and quiet revolution. But beyond its historical roots, Dapitan boasts stunning beaches, majestic mountains, lively festivals, and a warm, welcoming community. Now, what to discover in the Pitan? We have here Rizal Shrine and walk through the grounds where our national hero lived, thought, and healed. We also have the CAC Beach Resort, the world-class white sand beaches and adventure activities. We also have glorious Fantasyland, Mindanao's premier amusement park for the whole family. Scenic river cruises, mountain treks, and cultural tours. Local delicacies and unique souvenirs that capture the soul of the city. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply in search for peace and beauty, the Piran City welcomes you with open arms and stories to tell. So come and experience where the past meets paradise, only in the Piran City, the Shrine City of the Philippines. So let's go!